are just coming for the order from the fish, like Kishan Morcha, Kishan Morcha BJP. So our leaders are saying that we should go out to know more about agriculture.
Yes. So in your place, do you have the honeybee?
Yes.
You have honeybee, na? You have visited CPJs, that one more that agriculture, two more agriculture colleges are there in Meghalaya, na?
Oh, okay.
That's CPJs. One is CPJs, then the other one is College of Agriculture, Freedom College is under Meghalaya, isn't it? So this is the whole is entomology department, and this part is for honey testing. You have honeybees, na? So different type of honeybees are there. Some are wild and some are domesticated. I'll briefly just. So. When you collect the honey from any farmers or just some people say that they have mixed something, or like something like what you call, it may be sugar, it may be that rice water, sugary rice water, they mix. Or so this lab is for taste the honey, whether it's mixed or pure. Or you can say in the honey that not only honey, that biscuits or any cosmetic, any commercial item, have you seen that this is the glucose percentage, this is the sucrose percentage, this. Here you can see this means from the farmers, Sanglang. Here you can see. Isn't it?
Nutrients.
Yeah, nutrients covered. Like that, we have tested here. Okay. So different honey samples are there. They have sent the honey sample here. We tested here. Here you can see this is known as SPLC. It is for testing of carbohydrate, glucose, fructose, monosaccharide, disaccharide, antioxidant.
So it tests not only the purity, but it tests the content of the.
Then how much sucrose is present, how much glucose is present. It is suitable for preservation or not.
Oh, okay.
That for mango honey it is different, for lychee honey it is different, for mustard honey it is different. For every honey is nothing but the collection of nectar from the flower by the honeybees. Okay, so for every flowers there are different, every plants they have different nutritional value, isn't it? From medicinal plant they have different nutritional value. For fruits plants they have different nutritional value. So mustard, their glucose percentage is high. When you collect the mustard honey, it's become solid.
Okay.
During the winter, have you noticed?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Some people say it is they mix some sugar, something, but it's not like that. That if glucose percentage is high, then it will be solidified during winter. Okay. Generally, diabetic people they prefer the honey, isn't it? That honey biscuits, honey tea. They prefer sweetness. Also, they prefer honey. Instead of sugar, you can take honey. These are the microscope, and this is the spectrophotometer. Here you can see the color. There are different colors. Here you can see the honey. They have different color, isn't it? The color of the honey is different. This is the light. This is the dark. So it depends on that from where they have collected the nectar. So the color percentage you can see here. The absorbance. darker